Congress Working Committee has passed a resolution that Rahul Gandhi should become the leader of the opposition. India Bloc's significant rise has propelled Congress leaders to take Rahul's name for the leader of opposition. Take a look at this report.
The battle isn't over yet. The grand old party may have run short of fuel in the Lok Sabha elections, but it is solidifying a strategy to corner the NDA in the parliament. It is planning to give a big role to Rahul Gandhi as the party has secured the necessary number of seats in the general elections. On one hand, Narendra Modi is preparing for a grand oath-taking ceremony, and on the other hand, the chorus is growing for Rahul Gandhi to become the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha.
140 करोड़ जनता की जो मांग है, हमारा भी वही मांग है. Rahul Gandhi ji has to take position as a leader of opposition.
Rahul Gandhi should take over the leader of the opposition. That is the one voice. Whether he likes or not, it has to be implemented. We have passed the resolution. Whether he accepts or not, the Congress president is going to direct him.
आज कांग्रेस पार्टी दोबारा उनसे गुजारिश करती है कि वो देश की आवाज सदन के अंदर उठाएं, जिस प्रकार से वो सड़क पे उठाते हैं. हमारी अपेक्षा यही रहेगी कि वो कांग्रेस पार्टी की गुजारिश को कबूल करेंगे.
Congress Working Committee passed a resolution that Rahul Gandhi should become the leader of the opposition.
CWC unanimously requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to take the leader of the opposition position in Lok Sabha.
Several Congress leaders feel that Rahul in the past few years has become the face of the opposition against the might of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
राहुल गांधी ने 2 सीट जीत चुके हैं. क्या एलओपी के तौर पे आप लोग भी चाहेंगे कि वो
तौर से रायबरेली रहेगी, उनके साथ रायबरेली सीट उनके साथ
लोकसभा ऑपोजिशन लीडर?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल उनके नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस आगे बढ़ रही है, वो आगे बढ़े.
ऑलरेडी जो है वो जनता में विपक्ष की भूमिका निभा रहे हैं और आपने देखा जिस तरह से वो भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में कन्याकुमारी से लेकर के कश्मीर तक पैदल चले, फिर मणिपुर से लेकर के मुंबई तक जो है उन्होंने भारत जोड़ो न्याय यात्रा की. कागजों पे क्या तय होता है यह महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, जनता के बीच में विपक्ष तय होता है और विपक्ष की भूमिका निभा रहे हैं.
It will be the first time that Congress, since losing power in 2014, will get the post of the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha. It failed to get this position in the past 10 years as its tally was below the requisite 10% of the total number of seats in the House. Rahul Gandhi has seen highs and lows in politics. After back-to-back defeats to the Bharatiya Janata Party in 2014 and 2019, Rahul Gandhi's image has taken a huge hit. The 2024 elections have boosted Rahul Gandhi's image.
The CWC also talked about the results that have come in. Why could they not perform in certain states where they were expecting the same? A committee for the same will also be constituted and a deliberation will be done and a report on the same sent to the Congress presidents. Meanwhile, if Rahul Gandhi ends up accepting the resolution of becoming the LOP, the fierce battle that we saw between Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi play out during the Lok Sabha 2024 elections will continue inside the temple of democracy. With video journalist Nasir, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.